Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add audio to PowerPoint. Friends, audio plays an important role in our PowerPoint presentation. So to add audio, we simply need to click on Insert. Now here we need to click on Audio. Now we can add an audio file already saved on our computer, or we can record a audio for our presentation. I will record a audio. Now to start recording, click on the record button. India Gate is a famous place near Connaught Place in Delhi. After completing your recording, click on OK. Now an audio icon appears on your slide. You can change the placement of this icon. Now to listen the audio, click on play button. India Gate is a famous place near Connaught Place in Delhi. Now to do the required changes in your audio file, you need to click on Playback tab. Now here you will find various options. First we will trim the audio. Now here we will delete the blank portion in the starting and in the end of the audio. After doing the required trimming, you can listen to the audio by clicking on the play button. India Gate is a famous place near Connaught Place in Delhi. After completing the trimming, click on OK. Now here you can also add fade in and fade out for smooth starting and for a smooth end of the audio. I have added 1 second fade in and 1 second fade out. Now from here select automatically so that your recorded file will play automatically with the slide. From here you can change the volume level. You can select low, medium or high. Now friends, we have successfully added audio to our slide. Like this, you need to add audio to all your slides. I will quickly add a recorded audio file for this slide. So I will click on Insert, click on Audio, select Audio from the PC. Now from your PC, select the MP3 file and click on Insert. Change it to automatically. Add a fade in and fade out. Trim the audio. Now to listen the audio, click on play. Now friends, we will play the slideshow. India Gate is a famous place near Connaught Place in Delhi. So friends, like this you can very easily add audio to your PowerPoint presentation. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.